guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to save Instagram stories as drafts. So this is a new update, and if you still don't have it, you just have to make sure that your Instagram app is fully updated, and in a couple of days Instagram will provide this feature for all users. So for that we have to go on our Instagram app, of course. Then let's make a story. So I'll just click on this plus icon in the right corner from the top of the page, then click on story, and I will just record something or take a picture, doesn't matter. And after that, to save this, you just have to click on this X in the left corner from the top of the page. So you just click on that, and here you will find this card, save draft and cancel. So we just have to click on save draft, and like they said, drafts will be permanently deleted 7 days after you first save them. So you just have to click on K, and if you want to find that draft you just saved, you just have to click right here to upload in the bottom of the page in the left corner. And here, as you can see, next to gallery we have drafts. So click on that, and here you have your drafts. So like I said, this will be deleted after 7 days. So make sure that you will post these in less than 7 days so you won't lose them. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.